Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying account type and required permissions. This matters because some platforms show buttons only for creators or business accounts. Once done, open Profile Editing and navigate to the Buttons or Contacts section. Make sure to toggle privacy options that allow followers and friend requests. Now, select the UI region where the Add Friend and Follow controls will appear, Profile Header or Settings page, and prepare to insert the interactive elements, keeping label text concise and action-oriented for clarity. Now you add two interactive controls, one for friend requests and one for following. Position them close but distinct. When implementing states, define labels and icons for pending, added, requested, following, and unfollow so users understand status immediately. Then wire each control to backend endpoints that handle create, cancel, accept, and unfollow actions. Make sure to include optimistic UI and real-time updates via WebSockets or polling. Test transitions to ensure clicks update both UI and server consistently. Finish by validating the full flow on multiple devices and accounts. Send a request, accept it, cancel, follow, and unfollow, observing each state change. Once complete, add confirmations and undo options to reduce mistakes and log events for analytics. If things go wrong, check error paths, rate limits or duplicate requests, and privacy settings that block interactions. Then fix backend checks or UI feedback. Finally, monitor success rates and latency so you can iterate and improve the experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.